Arm.
Oh my god, this is silly. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Elma here, the creator of El Fam Vlogs. And here are my kiddos. Ate. Doodle. Alright. And my kids are very excited. They actually got a gift. My daughter graduated her 8th grade and she's got a good grades, and so she's got a gift. My Doodle, on the other hand, has excellent grades too. He's got straight A's, and so he's got a gift. And we will separate a video on that. Alright, you guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yes. Yes.
Let's jump right in.
Arm.
Oh my god, this is silly.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for getting me this gift. I really appreciate it.
Aw, that's so sweet of my daughter saying that. I know you deserve it, and you did work so hard, and you're a good girl,
Yes.
and it's your graduation,
Yeah.
and
that's
you
right.
have a good grades,
I
so
do.
it's your graduation gift,
Yes.
and I'm excited
Me
to
too.
see that.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. What do I do? Do I pull? Oh my gosh. Oh.
No fair.
Oh wow, headphones.
Yes.
You get AirPods.
No, they're headphones.
Is it? It
Yeah,
looks
there's
like
there's
AirPods.
wires. See, inside, like around
Oh,
there.
I
There's
see.
wires.
Aww.
Well, you have yours too.
I
sweetie.
feel
The
sad.
back. Oh my gosh.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Love it.
Mhm.
Now I'm kind of jealous.
Don't worry. Can't forget
I
about
want to
Brayden.
open like
Can't
that.
forget about Dodo.
Uh-huh.
And then we have a fun little.
Yes. So
Headphone.
you've got that.
They're actually, yeah, they're pretty
And
tiny.
that and that.
Adapter and charger.
Yeah.
We need a protector on this, sweetheart. Huh?
Yeah,
And a
sweetheart,
case.
yeah.
Case isn't come yet. It's
Oh,
on the way.
fingerprints.
Okay. So, satisfied?
Yes.
Happy
10
and
out
not
of
happy?
10. Would recommend.
10 out of 10.
Would recommend.
Will recommend. You're gonna recommend it to
Look
your
how
mom?
pretty it is.
Because mine is not XR.
Yeah, you should get one.
No, I'm okay with what I have.
I wanna.
I don't need to buy phones.
How do you turn
every
it
year.
on? Is it even charged?
I don't need it.
Oh, where's the power button? Where's the power? Oh, that's a large power button.
Yeah.
To hold it down? I don't know. Oh my gosh.
It's a big one. Got a bigger screen.
I
It's a
love.
bigger screen than an 8 Plus, 7 Plus.
I think A plus is just like bigger in size, but I think because the screen takes
But the
up
screen,
half-
this one, the screen has more of like. It has
Hi. Hi, Alexa.
That's a Siri, not Alexa.
Hola.
That's Spanish.
Hola.
Hola.
The next one's gonna be
Hola.
French.
Habla español.
I don't know
Hello.
what language that is.
Hello.
Okay.
Oh wow, that's French.
Bonjour.
Yep. Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Chinese.
Mandarin.
I don't know. I don't know. Oh no. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Fun.
That's it. And if
How
you
do
guys
you-
wanna,
Slide up to open. Oh, okay.
did you take
English.
the protector off? I think.
No, I didn't. Because we don't have a screen protector.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait until you get that one. I don't want you to drop it.
Okay, I'm English.
English.
Oh my God, you just wanna.
Select your
Yeah.
country.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm
go ahead.
excited.
Yeah, go ahead and do it.
Quick to start.
Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone and to sign it in and set it up.
You're not right.
Yeah.
You have to bring your other phone.
I have another phone, yeah.
But that's your new phone. Wait, so then I can get 2 phones?
Oh my gosh, Brandon, stop.
That means that you wouldn't hear it.
You get a new phone?
Oh,
It's,
oh,
I get
this is
2
fun. There's, like,
phones.
stuff inside
Because
now.
if my phone dies, well, guess what?
Look what I
Have
have.
another phone.
What's that?
There's some little fun notes inside.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello.
They always have something like that.
Ooh. Hello. Oh, it's just like how to use it.
Instructions.
Oh, this is how to
manual.
get like the SIM card in. So
Yes.
That's important.
So we're gonna have to do it all because
Who's stickers?
Apple Store is not even
I want
open,
that.
I think. So we're
I
gonna
want
have
to
to do
put
it
this.
all.
I want to put
ourselves.
this on our car.
I
Oh,
don't.
sweetheart, can you sit down, sweetheart?
Put it on my shirt.
Yeah. put it
Brayden, will you sit down?
I'll.
Hello.
Dodonko, sit down.
It's me. Hello.
Yeah, that's a very old song.
This kitchen.
How did you know that?
I don't know. You always talk it right because like whenever like Adele comes on, you're like, oh my gosh, hello is an old song.
Yeah, it is.
I pick up a banana.
Just make it a
Hello?
newer version with what's her name?
Adele.
Adele, yeah. So are you guys
I
done?
am. Yeah.
Hello.
I have my.
It's
other thing
pee.
to open.
Mm, it's beautiful.
It is. Look at those shiny headphones.
So guys, this is an iPhone XR. But that's definitely what she
feels- it
wanted. and she
feels
deserves
like
it.
it's
My
a
daughter
glass
deserves
backing.
it.
It's a
Okay,
glass.
make sure
yeah,
you
it's
don't
glass.
shatter the screen. We have to wait until the case and the screen protector comes, alright?
Mhm.
Before you can even enjoy it.
Oh wait, there's a thing. I wanna open that.
Hello.
And
Hi.
Goodbye.
Dodonko.
Goodbye.
You don't get jealous because you have also something for you.
Yeah. I
You
know.
wanna sit down there? It's gonna be your turn.
And then we box it up. Is it vibrating?
You turn it on. You have to turn it off. Try to turn
I
it
think
off
I was just like my
Can you
hand
turn
was
it
vibrating.
off?
How do I turn it off?
until we are ready for it.
Oh my
'Cause
god.
then it's gonna drain the battery.
It's off.
Okay. Good.
That's like the best.
Happy?
Yes.
Wow, you're the luckiest girl in the
I am the
world.
luckiest girl in the world.
In the world.
I
Yes,
love
yeah.
that phone. How do you turn it on?
The power button.
Oh.
Okay, you gotta be careful. Alright, you guys. And so, are you gonna say something now?
Thank you, Mom.
Thank
and
you, Mommy.
Dad.
You're welcome. Your dad is actually sleeping.
Yeah.
He's asleep.
Alright guys, so that's it for the iPhone XR for my daughter's graduation gift. And I'm so happy for her grades, and she's asking for an iPhone XR, and that's a gift. And thank you for watching. So let's move on to the next one that we're trying to open, but it would be in different video. But guys, thanks for watching.